excuse me, señorita.
Te vino el propio yogur y manchaste el boxer.
Sa restaurant niya. Señoris restaurant niya. Espanyol. Espanyol.
Inside the mall, there is restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yeah. I think for
Delicioso food. Delicioso.
yeah, they're good. You can choose many restaurants there. You go inside the mall, then you ride the elevator to the fourth floor.
Okay. By the way, I'm Carlos Juan from Mexico, Espanyol.
Really? We have an amigo.
Buenos días, muchas gracias.
You're a tourist here?
Yeah, I'm a new here for vacation.
Vacation.
Vacationis.
You alone traveling?
Yeah, I'm my friend in Panglao.
You stay for long.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
The nearest restaurant?
Yes,
Nearest?
there is mall. You go inside the mall.
Okay.
Then ride elevator to the fourth floor.
Okay. Operator pala dia, Ma'am. Vlog yun naman, magkakto vlog yun. Masalawa nga, bisakto. 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 Vlog yun. Mga fake Spanish Salamat naman. Bisakto. Pasok ko na. Salamat naman.